Hello there, Taurus sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. This reading is for the month of November. Love reading for the Taurus sign out there. So, Taurus, hindi lahat ng Taurus maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, take what resonates and leave the rest. Cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Taurus sign. So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. So, Taurus sign, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placement signs and watch your reading there. Okay? Kahit naka-resonate pa kayo sa reading na to, still do check your other placement. Watch your reading in your placement signs kasi pwede mag-connect doon yung reading ninyo. Dito, from here to there. So, let's start. Anong kailangan yung malaman this month of November, Taurus sign? So, let's start with what is happening right now. What is happening right now, Taurus? What is happening right now? Taurus sign. Option. I think may mga options sa'yo dito na you need a decision either to let go or to stay. Andun ka na sa point of you wanted to have a changes in your life and parang I can see here that you wanted to end the cycle already. Hindi mo na na-appreciate yung mga nangyayari. Like, I think nawawala na din yung sparks. Parang, sabihin natin na may mga disappointments na sa sitwasyon na to. But, I can see here in this situation, andun ka pa sa point na hindi ka pa totally nakapag-decide kung ano yung gagawin. Either to stay or to do what you want to do. So, meron pa namang communication. I can sense that this is unexpectedly na naramdaman mo tong sitwasyon na to. Or, itong mga ano na to. Taurus, I can see that you are trapped in a situation. Or your person. Or both of you trapped in a situation dito. Might be merong marriage involved sa sitwasyon ninyo. So, baka merong mga lies, unfaithfulness dito, and pinag-iisipan mo pa talaga kung ano yung gagawin mo sa sitwasyon na to. If this is involved love, feelings, emotions, mahirap kang makapag-desisyon. You are very trapped in a situation because bakit yung person mo nandyan pa din siya sa'yo? Parang you still feel the connection. So, parang para sa'yo, hindi mo alam kung ano yung desisyon ang gagawin mo. This is the situation. Okay? Pero hindi mo na na-appreciate. Actually, disappointed ka na sa mga nangyayari. So, you might be dealing here with Aquarius, Taurus, or this is you. Okay? So, pwede ding Leo sign, Capricorn. Okay? So, I can see Virgo. So, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, ano yung feeling? Ano yung feeling ng person mo about the situation? Is it same sa nararamdaman mo? Or no? Let's see. What is the feeling of your person here? Taurus. This is his feelings towards you. Honestly, Taurus, this person is very much attracted on you and this is what he or she felt about your connection. May plano siya actually talaga na maging seryoso sa'yo. may plano siya. Kung nasa point kayo ng parang type of hindi masyadong serious, teka, ayusin ko lang yung cam for a while. Okay. So, kung nasa point kayo ng sitwasyon na feeling mo hindi siya seryoso, feeling mo hindi siya nag-e-effort masyado, feeling mo parang, I don't know kung you know something about this person and you felt parang walang pag-asa, you know, this person, kabaligtaran yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi seryoso siya sa'yo. Gusto niya mag-offer talaga sa'yo ng new beginning talaga dito. Like a commitment. Parang nagpaplano siya about this. This person is very much into you. Very much attracted to you. And this person really wanted na magkaroon kayo ng successful relationship. Though somehow, minsan parang na-stress siya, may mga iniisip siya, mga bagay, naguguluhan siya. Might be because of the responsibility that he have, if there is a marriage involved here, or past marriage. Pero andun din siya sa point na he is or she is like, looking for some ideas on what to do. Medyo mabigat lang yung problema niya, pero pagdating sa'yo, mahal ka niya. Mahal ka niya. See? He wanted na magkaroon kayo ng celebration kasi sobrang na-appreciate niya yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa kanya. No, willing siya na tanggapin yung pagmamahal na yun, and he is very much attracted and so much into you. So, let's see about your feelings here. So, you might be dealing with the Pisces sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ano yung nararamdaman mo, Taurus, towards your person? Okay. Taurus, yung feeling mo dito, parang binabaliwala ka. Hindi mo totally nararamdaman yung effort niya. I don't know how. Sobrang gumugulo din to sa isipan mo. Sobrang na-stress ka din. Kaya minsan, you just wanted to have a peace of mind and think about this. There is something na parang nararamdaman mo that is not enough, that you want something more from this person na hindi niya pa pinapakita talaga. Though you still feel also na gusto mong ng new beginning towards this person. Feeling mo may iba siya. Yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Kasi parang feeling mo cold yung situation, cold yung relationship, and not enough. This is what you feel. Hindi ka nakakatulog sa gabi, sa kakaisip. Very much insecure insecurities ang meron sa'yo dito. But you are trying, you know. Parang andun ka sa point na parang you are like, parang naglalakas ka ng loob na pagandahin tong relasyon na to, na huwag kong isipin yung mga iniisip ko, something like that. Kahit medyo feeling mo uneasy ka na, feeling mo na parang unfair, you know, imbalance yung situation. Sometimes you feel na you just wanted to walk away emotionally because nararamdaman mo sa person na to na niloloko ka lang and he's going to someone else. Might be to an ex. Baka you know about the past of this person and you are afraid na he's still into that past. So, ito yung nararamdaman mo. So, what you need to know about this month of November sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. Okay, what you need to know about this month of November. Okay. So, Taurus, meron ka pa talaga, andun sa point talaga this month of September, andun ka sa point na decision. Okay? Na, ano yung ngayong present na to, na feeling mo na gusto mong gawin, na hindi ka pa makadesisyon dahil may mga options ka about decision. Feeling ko this month of November, nakapag-decide ka na. I think to separate. I think kailangan mo, parang gusto mo na din na makipag-separate sa kanya kasi hindi mo na na-handle yung emotions mo, yung anxiety mo. Hindi mo na carry yung nararamdaman mo. So, hindi mo na naintindihan yung connection. Though, para sa person mo, ikaw yung gusto niya. Like, para sa person mo, ikaw yung babaeng gusto ko. It's just like that, baka merong someone from the past, still, nandyan pa din siya, na parang, either na ex na siya, pero siguro may communication about responsibility, and doon ka medyo natatakot na medyo baka magkabalikan sila and mali-left out ka lang sometimes, nakakaramdam ka ng coldness sa situation. So, this month of November, you will going to decide na magiging single ka. Honestly, sobrang pinag-isipan mo talaga to. Sobrang pinag-isipan mo to. Deep thinking talaga to para makapag-decision ka. Kasi, your person, bakit your person still there into you? And, pero para sa'yo, I don't know if for you, ramdam mo to, pero nakakaramdam ka na parang unfair ako. Okay? Parang, if this person is ex-married, and they are legally married, parang para sa'yo, wala ding mangyayari sa atin. Yun yung iniisip mo. Kahit sabihin mo sa akin ng paulit-ulit na mahal mo ko, and you're always there for me, parang pag-iisipin ko, kasi you're Taurus eh. Taurus always think about the future, always think about the goals together, always think about, earth signs. They are very serious pagdating dito. Hindi sila playful people. So, pag iniisip mo yung future, parang wala akong nakikitang future sa atin kasi nga, meron pang past and I always think about that. So, yeah. Adun nga sa point na you will going to walk away calmly in a situation. Though malulungkot ka sa mga gagawin mong desisyon, pero kung iisipin mo, parang andun ka sa point na okay na din yun. Kailangan kong gawin yun. Parang ganun. So, ano yung gustong sabihin ng person mo? Let's dig in. Ano yung gustong sabihin ng person mo sa'yo? Let's see. Ano yung gustong sabihin mo? Anong gustong sabihin ng person mo sa'yo? See? I told you. Taurus, I wanted to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning with you. Bahala na kung anong mangyari. Gusto kong mag-move forward. Gusto ko ng new beginning with you. I am honest and sincere and fair with you. Nakafocus naman ako sa relasyon natin. Hindi lang ako nakatulog sa gabi, nababothered ako about naghihintay ka. Naghihintay ka, napapagod ka na, might be, naghihintay ka sa commitment na gusto mo, sa freedom na gusto mo, sa publicity na gusto mo about our relationship na maging official. I'm also waiting for the sign. I'm also waiting for that. Hindi ko naman siya mamadaliin kasi hindi madali ang maging legal and hindi madali ang, annulment. When you're in the Philippines, when divorce, okay lang. Or sabihin natin na hindi pa afford or what, hindi madali. Or sabihin natin yung mga emotions, yung mga nangyari, yung pag-uusap, yung, hindi madali ang magkaroon ng agad-agad ng separation and magkaroon tayo ng public, official na tayo. Alam kong napapagod ka na sa kakahintay doon. And, tinatry ko naman, nagigain ako ng strength na ipakita sa'yo yung effort ko na mahal kita and I'm so into you na ikaw yung gusto ko. I just need more time for what you want. Kasi, hindi madali kalaban yung ex. Sometimes, I feel disappointed. Sometimes, naiisip ko din na I need to have this soul searching, finding the enlightenment of my life. Every time that you felt cold in our situation, every time na gusto mo nang makipaghiwalay, every time na nagrereklamo ka, minsan nag-iisip ako, hinahanap ko yung right path ng buhay ko. But really, I wanted to talk to you about this. Even about the separation that you want. Mabigat yung problema ko. Sobrang bigat ng problema ko. But still, I still wanted to fight for our relationship. Okay? Even if you're going to walk away calmly in a situation, in our relationship, and move forward and never look back, I will still ask you a second chance. Kahit pahiwalay na tayo because I believe that nagmamahalan tayo sa isa't isa. So, yon yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo, Taurus. That is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.